We're not even filming it.
What do you mean I am? What do you mean? Man, I had something bigger. Like, I saw it like that. You can feel it. The arm is so big.
Ow! Sorry, I just got shot with a bullet. Is that it?
Nope. We started another video. I thought it was always just like a silent kaboom. Why do you get so close?
It can put things on fire.
I swear, before we light a firework like that, I think it went down on the ground, really, and exploded on the ground.
How high up do you think that is?
Maybe.
Let's say that building right there is like 150 feet tall, okay?
13,000 feet.
I feel like more like 1,500 feet. Like 1,500 feet.
1 million inches.
Someone's filming this on their drone.
Oh, yeah. A drone what?
Someone's filming this on their drone. Right there, he's that little white light.
Whoa. The drone is gonna go in. I don't want to.
No, bro, the explosions are scaring me.
Okay, that was loud. Woo!
Bro, you can hear it echo, like boom, boom.
Does anybody else know?
Hear that?
Should I put it on TikTok? Just do a TikTok live. What's up? We're doing.
Do it TikTok live right now. Do it. Yeah,
I don't know how to do it. Well, you know.
Yeah, I probably do. In the video, I'll put it on TikTok live.
What's up, together?
In the video, I'll put it on live.
Okay, do it. Not on your phone.
Okay, so, bro, I don't have TikTok. What do you mean on my phone?
You're a new one.
What is that? Ah! I got a little scared, sorry.
Oh, that one was the biggest one.
So far, uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Okay, that one.
Oh!
Which one is the biggest one? Yo,
That was the loudest one. That was the loudest one.
Okay, that one was the biggest.
Loudest. Oh, that was 100% the biggest.
Nothing about that. Where's the drone at? Imagine it got caught on fire. Put it in water, put it in water. But don't break it. I don't care, it's on fire. Ran into the gas. No. Okay, that one. That one. Is that the one? Oh. Or is the other one? Oh. I'm dumb. I was off. Okay, when the wait, some of them is like invisible. What? Let's see. Because there's a smoke cloud and it's going behind it. That's how it's forming. See? Okay, how did that one come? I swear, one born. Listen, that one. Bro, look at sparks. Those are sparks. Yeah, Wendy, listen, I'm all off at work. I swear my feet feel like it's burning, but I don't know. It feels like it's hot under my feet, but I don't know. Lift it up. That one was the accurate. Like it made the biggest echo.
That was the loudest.
Yeah. But that is the loudest. Which one is the biggest?
That was the loudest.
Yeah.
New loudest.
This ain't the loudest.
Is that the end? Nope.
There's
Uh-oh.
one. I just saw. Two of them. This is the long one. No, this is the big one.
Yeah, they sent off the finale, which... Yeah, the finale is the giant one. Those send like big ones and like tons of like big sprayers and those crazy. Oh! I think this might be the finale.
Nope. Oh, that was the... Okay, I don't know which one's the echo. Oh, the one was the echo was the giant one.
No, the loudest would be echoous.
Now they'll send off the big one.
Yeah, this goes to the finale.
Okay, stop the finale.
Here goes the finale.
No. That one went on. Which one was the highest? Oh, look. Look at that one. That's not the finale yet. But why are they like...
Because this is the finale, so they're going to do crazy things. See?
Is that one the biggest?
Yeah, 100%.
Yes, 100% the biggest. Just wait.
For right now, at least. Oh, that's a heart.
That was big. That's the loudest.
No, the other one's still bigger.
It's better than this long.
Those were the loudest.
No, the biggest ones are not loud. These ones ain't loudest.
Loudest so far. When we say biggest and loudest, that means so far. That was the loudest.
There's none of them that can match the biggest. Oh, Lady. Yo, look how much smoke there is. The big ones are loud. Yeah, no, but when we say the biggest and the loudest, it's the ones that we least. So until the back ones, okay? When they released the giant ones, guess what they would do? It will echo all the way uptown. I'll probably hear it. I think this is wow. The one that went right there. Okay,
That was the loudest.
yeah. Oh, just wait for the smoke to come down and land.
That was also the loudest.
No, they said 4 though. Yeah, they said them all off at once. After
Would you just hear how loud that one
it's
was?
all set off. It's still active. Oh, that one hurt my eyes. Yeah, it's flashbang this. It just went white for my eyes. But you know what? They'll set off colorful bubbles. It's green, red, blue, white. I'm not meaning about it. Just sent out white one and just went to my eyes. It's different colors. You don't know what color it is. I know. No, you can.
Ow!
Yeah, that one. That one didn't even go off. Oh! Yeah, that one just flashbangs you. Oh, it didn't even go off. It just flashbanged. It went down. No, it exploded, but it was flashbang. It just exploded in the house. Okay, there's none of them match the biggest. Planet.
Planet. Oh, that was
Jet.
loudest.
How about the biggest? Come on, send us the biggest.
But if they do another flashbang.
Oh, don't, please. If they are...
Whoa, it's coming towards us. That was the biggest so far.
These ain't the big ones. These ain't the biggest ones yet.
Oh, ow, my eyes.
The big ones will come and land in this glass.
Oh, wow. Whoa!
Oh, that made a... Oh, that one was satisfying. It made a house.
Oh.
Landed off. Watch. It made a smiley face in the sky. You see that?
Yeah.
But yeah. Did you? Okay, that one's the loudest.
Yeah.
Landon, did you upload that video, by the way? No. Yo, just a heart shape.
Me too.
You know what I'm gonna do to your brother right now?
He showed it to us. I said, "Send it."
Well, upload it. Go to your TikTok. Do it on TikTok.
I don't have it.
TikTok. Okay, that
How is the biggest and loudest? Oh my goodness, that
Yes.
thing was huge.
I think it's now. No, I'm not making a video. I want to add it.
Aiden, be quiet.
Did you also get flashbang? Did you also get the flashbang? Like a couple of them kept giving us flashbang. It's like your eyes go white, but then come back in like 1 millisecond.
What the? Yeah, that's how it'd be. I think this goes the finale, or maybe. Oh, yep, here it goes.
Oh, here. And then some of the big.
Oh, yeah, this is the finale.
Oh!
Oh! Whoa!
Chill and relax. Watching the fireworks. Okay, that one didn't even explode.
That was cool. It did like a rainbow thing. Oh, no. I think that's going to be a flashbanger. Oh, what was that? Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
New biggest one, new loudest.
Uh-oh. It's definitely the loudest and biggest.
Gonna beat that.
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa, look at that red one. It was like V. It was doing zigzags.
okay,
That's the loudest. That's
Oh, no,
even
that-
louder and bigger.
Whoa! Definitely loudest, biggest.
Yeah.
Oh, that
That's
was
the
the
new loudest, but it's not the biggest.
You got the biggest, loudest, the echoiest. There's no quietest. Oh, I don't think no.
No, the loudest is always going to win echoiest, because if you're louder, then it's going to echo further. Uh-oh.
There's no.
Every time I see those big swirly ones going up in the sky, like, woo, 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 it's never like big, and I'm like, bruh.
There's a lot of them up there now.
Chelsea, is this the finale?
Now,
What do you mean, no? This isn't the finale yet.
what? Oh,
And I've been recording for 13 minutes.
new loudest. Isn't it a new loudest? The game one.
No, it's close though.
Come on, finale.
Is this the finale starting?
Just watch.
Uh-oh. That's the new loudest and echoist.
Biggest.
That's
the loudest and biggest.
Yeah, loudest and biggest.
Yeah.
Whoa, they're like flares. Are they actually shooting off flares over there?
Possibly.
Yeah, they might actually just be holding up flare guns and just going,
Oh, dude.
and just shooting flares up into the sky.
Oh, that wasn't even.
Flare would have hit the ground still lit.
Oh, yeah. Well, they're like flare fireworks. They're like fireworks if they're like half firework, half flare. You know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean. Okay, that's.
That biggest, loudest, and echoiest.
Yes. That thing went like that long. That's the more satisfying one.
Let's find it.
This is my favorite part of
Whoa.
4th of July. Fireworks.
This isn't even 4th of July yet. Just think about tomorrow.
This is our town celebration.
Yeah, this is Montgomery celebration. Think of tomorrow. No, Montgomery. Wait, Montgomery isn't Charleston. What am I doing? I think. Yeah. I think. Yeah.
I don't have Google
Uh-oh. Whoa. Whoa.
Biggest.
Biggest, loudest, and echoist.
But isn't it the biggest is the loudest?
Not always. It just depends on how it explodes.
Okay, that one's the biggest.
And loudest.
Yeah.
And echoiest.
That's the
We're just gonna have biggest and loudest, okay? Loudest. Not biggest.
I like when like. So that looks like Saturn.
I just shorted my pants. It was close to loudest. That's the loudest.
Yeah. None of them match the biggest. Come on, biggest. Show the biggest. I'm gonna scream. Do the biggest and loudest.
Loudest.
Yeah, definitely loudest. I just heard that. Yeah, shut up.
You can hear how long it echoes for. It's like a gunshot. Seems like someone like shooting like their rifle. Oh, I think this might be the finale finally. Whoa. Whoa. Loudest and biggest. The finale is going to be after this round. Watch.
But you have to remember, this is a big celebration, so they're probably double.
So that's going to be like the most insane finale I've ever seen. What do you think they're going to do on like the 500-year celebration for America?
I don't know, we won't know.
Yeah.
We'll be here then. Whoa,
Haven't it already been 500 years?
No, but this is the 250th celebration of July, like July 4th, the Independence. Wait, is the 4th of July Independence Day, right?
Yeah, she'll be.
Chelsea, the 4th of July is Independence Day, right?
You'll be 267.
206. Guys, here goes the finale. I'm telling you, trust.
Nope, not the finale.
Yes, it is. Biggest, loudest.
Yep.
Chelsea, do you think this is the finale?
Nope.
Chelsea, do you think this is the finale?
Look at that one in the sky.
Just gotta wait and see, bub.
Be thousands. Nope.
Bro, it's way cooler to watch on my phone. Whoa! Whoa!
I like the one that, yeah, like,
Yeah, I like those ones too. Biggest, I mean loudest.
not biggest.
Yeah.
The biggest is big.
Yeah, it was giant. It like took up the whole sky.
Yeah.
Hopefully now this is the finale. Again, probably. Yeah, this is the finale. I think. I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'll know when it's the finale though. I think. Maybe.
I don't want to lay down because ants keep crawling on me. Ants in your pants and crawling on my neck. They're probably in my ear. Ants in your pants. Ants in your underwear. What, am I sitting like an ant? No, I'm not. You know where I learned that from? Mom. Because Aunt Chrissy is Mom's sister, and guess what? She sat on an ant hill before.
Biggest, loudest.
And Mom said this: ants in your pants, and in your underwear, ants in your shirt. And Gogo said, please stop saying that. That's making me do that. I can't concentrate.
Ants in your pants, ants in your underpants, ants in your shirt. You got them everywhere.
Ah, this girl's in my pants.
You got ants in your glasses.
No, there's not. Not close to the biggest. The biggest was like.
Clifford's right.
No, it's on the ground. Shoot up the big guns. Ow!
What happened?
You kicked me.
What? No, I didn't. Guys, I'm gonna see what's bigger than my foot. Oh my goodness.
No, that's not even close to the biggest. Let's see, is there anyone a bit smaller than my
Well, that one's the
None of them is smallest. Yo, that's the biggest.
No, we got a bigger. Whoa. Triple splitter.
Not the smallest.
That was just a flashbang. Oh my eyes.
I just got a flashback too.
I didn't.
I did.
I
If
don't.
you're laying like this, you do.
Loudest.
Give me 'em.
Right now.
How long are they yours?
Mine's 21 minutes long.
They've been
And I filmed like
23.
Oh, that's cool.
It sounds like meteors coming
It's
out.
kind of.
Straight at 10.
No, it started at 10. Yeah, 10.
It's been 12.
I've been recording for 21 minutes and it started right at 10, so it's been 24 minutes.
Delete that one.
24, 25 minutes. What?
Delete that one and make a new one.
Oh, I ain't making no new video. Mine's already 21 minutes long. You're crazy to think I'd make a new one.
You didn't did it for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, I barely even did. They're like, okay, make and watch. Make a video. Now you can show Nan. The fireworks.
But this is uncomfortable.
On what? Actually, I'm pretty comfy, twin.
The sidewalk.
Oh.
The sidewalk feels good.
Yeah, no. When they fall. I just had an
Yeah, ants keep calling on me.
egg.
Ants in your pants, and your underwear, and shirt, and the squirrel in my pants.
Bro, do you have ants crawling on your
There's there's
Whoa, imagine an ant
there's
like
squirrels in your ants. Squirrels in your pants.
Wow, that was so big. There's squirrel on my ants.
Squirrel in your pants.
So you said squirrel on my ants.
Ants in your pants, ants in your mouth,
Is it bigger than my foot?
ants in your milk,
No.
ants in your food. What are you gonna do?
Oh,
Oh,
new biggest and loudest.
You gotta eat the ants.
biggest is probably mine. I don't know.
Bro,
Little Mickey.
turn off your headlights.
Yeah, we're watching.
Oh, my eye!
Bro, how many people gonna drive down the road?
They're trying to leave. They're not even getting close to
Why
Aiden.
would you want to leave this awesome celebration? It's the 3rd of July. Why would you want to leave?
It's mostly 4.
Nope, we're like an hour and a half away from the 4th of July, so.
We're not in a hour and a half. Look, it's not even close to 4th of July.
I'll leave him in.
Hour and a half away from 4th of July.
Before he breaks the chemical.
Do you need 2 hours or a half?
Nope, an hour. Because when it hits 12, that means it's the next day.
Oh yeah. I thought it would be still 10 and a half of an hour. I totally forgot. It's 10:26.
Yes, like that.
They're leaving. They're probably getting closer. We hit like a boom earlier. So when the person lights it off. Alright, I thought something was like alarm or something, bro.
Feel it, sorry. Yes, stop. You're gonna make me do something. Stop thinking.
What do
Are you going to sleep? Wake up, Gabe.
What baby?
Bro, that was cool. Half white, half insane reflexes. Okay, ready? Type again, stop. Hit it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, you won't.
Let me check it, let me check it.
try.
Check it later.
Oh, was almost.
Wait, let me try one more time. One more.
Yeah.
Yes, it did.
The finale?
The biggest.
No. Yeah, wait, no, yeah.
Yeah, wait. Awesome. Yeah.
Don't throw it in faces.
You threw it in my face.
I clicked it. No, wait, let me try.
Sorry, I got kids everywhere.
Oh, you're good.
Let me try one more time.
Can I try?
Wow, yes, you're good. Good boy.
Sorry, I messed up. Can I try? Hold up. I'm trying.
Oh my gosh! New biggest and loudest, bro. It was massive.
Hold on. Let me.
Why are you rubbing your nose on me, twin? You're not a cat. I think that's just an ant crawling inside my ear, bro. You're gonna get like 400. Wow, never mind. We're gonna both do it together.
32.
Hey kids, come here real quick.
I got 0.0. I'm
Stand
recording.
right here. So I can take a picture with you and a flashlight. I am Firework. Stand up.
Woo! Yeah, get it, Landon. Point us. Show us where it is. There.
Let's go.
Whoa. Show me what timer you can get, bro. Oh my gosh.
I'm letting it go.
No. Show me what you can get. Show me what you can get.
Hold on.
233.
Here it is.
Biggest and loudest.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Right,
Uh oh. Yeah! Independence! For freedom! What the? Yeah! Oh my eyes! Oh my gosh!
All those combined was the loudest.